Hey Scrappers, it's Vanessa here with a design team layout for SpiegelMom Scraps. And today I'm going to be playing with this strawberry patch sequin mix that Sarah Scraps created. And this whole layout is actually inspired by Sarah Scraps. She had shown these Lawn Fawn strawberry shakers as well as the other strawberry die cuts that had come out from Lawn Fawn, and I love strawberries to begin with, but these were just so adorable that I ended up buying them. And then when I saw this sequin mix that she created this month, I knew that I had to use it for creating some shakers for one of my projects. So this one is definitely inspired by Sarah. And this sequin mix is stunning. It makes the perfect sequin mix for these dies. And so I have created one off camera, and now I'm just going to, here on camera, that's what you see me doing here, is just going ahead and creating this second strawberry shaker. And I've also got off to the side some of the other strawberries, the smaller ones, all die cut, and so I'm going to use those, and those are pretty much going to be the main embellishment for this page. So I absolutely love how this page turned out. I'm also using, for my background, I'm using the background paper is Chamel, and then I have, I believe, I want to say that Simple Stories is the floral, and so those are going to make up my two main pattern papers for this layout. And then I am just going to finish building out my strawberries here for my two main strawberries that are going to be my main embellishment pieces. I do add a few more onto the page. You'll kind of see that as we build it out. But I am also adding to the center of the florals for each of these little florals that I created also that came in that same die. I'm actually adding one of the sequins into each of the centers of the florals. So I love the sparkle and shine that these sequins get. It is stunning. Like I said, I absolutely love it, and I definitely blame this whole layout and all of the spending that I did for buying all of these items definitely came from Sarah's influence for sure. So there you see I have just gone ahead and created all of my little strawberries, and they are adorable. And so I'm going to have one that's going to be up there. It's just going to be a smaller one, and then my two larger shakers are going to be anchored my two other sort of embellishment clusters. Now I have some photos here. These are from the local farmers market that we go to almost every weekend, and being as we live in Florida, it is open all year round, and so we get fresh farm produce basically all year round. And so while these two pictures aren't showing strawberries, they are definitely showing some of the things that we get at the farmers market. So I am going to go with it, and I decided that because we're talking about fresh fruit and vegetables, that the perfect title for this one was going to be Eat Fresh. So that is what you're going to see me spell out here. So once I have my title down, and I, like I said, have my two main embellishment clusters, I am going to come in and take some embellishing bits and pieces that I pulled. I think most of these, I want to say, came from a Echo Park sticker collection, or one of their past collections, and I cannot remember the life of me what it was called. I think it was one of their summer lines, but I honestly can't remember. But I'm going to just use a lot of these stickers here that you see on this wax paper. And then I'm just going to, like I said, add those into each of my embellishment clusters. Again, it gives a little bit more texture, a little bit more interest, and it's not all paper. Now, obviously, these shakers add some lift, so I did lift up the strawberry on the top where my title is, just to give it some lift and dimension up there. And then I'm going to come in with all of those gorgeous sequins again, and I'm going to put those all down. I did not make you watch me glue everything down, but there you can see the finished layout. Still photos are coming up, and I will have in the description box below a link to the SpiegelMom Scraps store as well as the Facebook group. And if you want to use my code, it is Vanessa15, and it will get you some money off your sequins. So be sure to use that and hit that link down below, and you can shop for some of these amazing sequins. I do believe that there may be some May collection left. If not, there are plenty of amazing mixes in the shop. So with that, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.